What up, y'all? Every penny counts. I'm on this site, Fusioncash. The link will be in the description. Click below to sign up. You see here my balance, I have $12. Now I'm gonna show you how I make money in this site relatively easily. I'm gonna show you my account and all that stuff to show you that I'm really preaching. I'm really practicing what I'm preaching with this site. All right. So the first thing I want to do is show you the Fusioncash surveys, FC surveys. This is where you're gonna make a bulk of your money. And you see here, if I scroll down, you see all these surveys, and you see the money sign next to it. That money sign is basically showing you that if you don't get qualified for the survey, they're still going to credit you. Okay, you'll get credited a penny for every survey that you don't qualify for. Now the thing is, there are a lot of them up here, so I mean, you can make easily 30-50 cents because they have so many surveys. I've taken a few of them today. I'm gonna show you that in my account, and I credited for a few of them, but I still have a lot more to do, and so I'm still going through and do all of those with the money sign. You will get credited. So that's why I tell people, when you go on these sites like this and they're going to credit you, even if you get disqualified, attempt them all. That way you get something. That way you see a balance continue to grow. My balance of $12, there's a lot of disqualification points in that, but I'm not mad because I'm still getting credited. You know what I'm saying? So that's one big thing you want to remember with this site. Over here on the left, you see here they have other survey providers. They have My Thought Counts. You get $1 for every survey you complete in that. Tap Research, 5 cents to $5 with that. So I mean, the thing is, there's a lot of surveys on here. You got to find which one works for you. And like I said, that's what I was talking about. Disqualification bonus. Surveys marked with a $ icon will issue you a 1 cent bonus if you start the survey but get disqualified. So they have lots of them that reload every day. You just have to go in here, and put in the work. All right. So I'm gonna go over here to earn cash again. I'm gonna show you their paid to click feature. Their paid to click. I done a video on this, but basically what it is, you see here, I've already been credited for today, but I'm gonna show you how it works. Basically, you have to click on 4 of these pages. You see here, step 1, visit 4 different pages like comment. That's these 4. You just click on 4 of them and you're good. Then you go down. Go over to the next step, click on a sponsor's advertisement. All right, now the sponsor's advertisement, those are below down here. Sponsors, click on one of these. You just got to click on one. Then you go back up and you see here, step 3, redeem your 15-cent reward. Now, like I said, I've already been done. I did mine earlier today, so I've already got my 15 cents, so they won't let me do it again. But basically, there'll be a 2-minute and 30-second countdown for you to basically do all of that. I mean, it's not like you have to do it within the time. It's just saying like that 2 minutes and 30-second countdown. That's when you'll be credited the 15 cents. So it's very easy. You just click on 4 of these right here. Then you go down. You click on one of these sponsors advertisers. Doesn't matter. Doesn't have to do anything with it. Just have to click on it. Just following the steps, and you'll be credited for it. All right. So I'm going to show you what I've done today. I'm not even done with the site, but I'm doing some today. And you see here, all these on the 27th of August. You see here, I did a survey. I just got credited 30 cents. I did some surveys right here, 22 surveys I didn't qualify for, but I got 22 cents. And a lot of them is just, I really clicked on a survey and I didn't even have to answer any questions. They already just, kicked me out, but I got a penny for it. So I wasn't really mad. And I did some more. I did my pay to click, what I was telling you. I got my 15 cents for that. The daily cash email, you sign up, they'll send you an email every day, like every morning, like early in the morning. So you click on that. It's basically just, it's an ad or whatever. You get 2 cents every day for doing that. You see there, I got Tap Research. I did a 47 cent one. So I got credited for. So the thing is, I'm still on this site right now. I'm still playing around with it, still making more money with it, but I have $12 in my balance. You can cash out at $25, I believe it is, on this site. Fairly easy to do it if you're just going through, really knocking out those FC surveys. Going back to that, they have a lot of different ones, like I showed you, and they will continue to add them the next day. So once all of these run out, throughout the day they'll sprinkle in more, but the next day they'll, basically put a lot more up, because they basically just kind of, reset and bring in new surveys, because people are always putting out surveys to get people's opinions. So never have to worry about a shortage of surveys. And that's basically what it is with this site. You know what I'm saying? Just for me, I just do the surveys. I do the FC surveys. I do the paid to click, and I do the tab research. My thought counts, I've done that a couple times. I've had some success with it in the past. I've had some not so good days with it, but all in all, this is a very good site. It's been around for a very long time. It is definitely legit. I've cashed out with it before, and I just want you guys to be a part of it if you're not already. Click the link in the description. I want you to, as soon as you sign up, I want you to go ahead and complete a survey. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. As soon as you sign up for a site, complete a survey. That way you don't get lazy and get into the mindset of just, signing up for sites and not making any money with it. As soon as you sign up, go ahead, do a survey, do an offer, do whatever you have to do to put money in your account immediately. That way it'll kind of motivate you to keep going. You know what I'm saying? It really is a mind thing, because once you see that money going into that account, regardless if it's, a few pennies or a couple dollars, it really does motivate you to keep going. So click on the link in the description, complete your first survey, and just go from there. I showed you my routine. It works well. It gave me $12 so far, after I've cashed out a few weeks ago. And, just follow what I do. You can do the same thing. You can have the same success I'm having with this site. All right. So that's it for this video. Like I said, click on the link in the description to sign up today. And remember, every penny counts.